So why should a receiver of revenue present a report that has clerical errors? When it comes to collection of money, clerical errors is not an excuse, because that can be the excuse given for the theft of public resources. Who is the receiver of revenue, Governor, in your delegation?
Vera Mora, do you want to come to the fore?
The receiver of revenue, please introduce yourself. Okay, Sergeant Tatams, you could help her with the microphone.
She can come in front. At least you can get a place for her to go.
Okay. We just wanted to identify her. So, who was your co-signatory to this financial statement?
Thank you, Chair. We have a team that works on the same. We have a team that...
No, there are two people who sign the financial statements. You sign, and someone else signs. Who is the other person who signed them?
That is it's called Majakuzi.
It's called?
Majakuzi.
Who's Majakuzi? Like a jacuzzi? Many jacuzzis. Who is...
Chair.
Where is the gentleman? What's your ISPAC number? What's your ISPAC number?
12-12-8.
12-12-8?
Yes.
But that's not the ISPAC number on these statements.
It was not me who signed the report. I think is a CC Finance.
CC Finance?
Yes.
You're the one who signed the receiver of revenue statement.
Chair, I signed the forwarding letter of the statement.
We want
not
before we get into substantive issues, we want someone to take ownership of this report. Vera, who is your co-signatory?
Chair, we have an accountant.
So you have left Majakuzi. It's somebody else now.
We have an accountant. He's one of them. He's the lead team in the accountancy team.
Vera, you are the receiver of revenue. This is your report. You must know who co-signed the report.
The person who signed is Pulei, the head of reporting.
Where's Pulei? Pulei, what's your ISPAC number? But someone signed for the head of revenue reporting.
Yes, it's true that someone signed for. During that period, we were training some of our
So
officers.
is this your signature? Pulei, is this your signature on this statement?
Yes.
Why are you looking surprised?
Okay. Yeah, as you can see, Chair, it was signed for.
So this is not your signature?
It's not my signature.
Who signed it? So who is that who signed for you?
Alex.
Alex has denied. Ameruka kipetero kiesu. Who signed these statements? Because we cannot be running county governments like a corner kiosk. There is 1 billion shillings in this report. And there is professional responsibility. And if there are issues, we must assign responsibility and culpability to the right person. So you are saying you didn't sign. Someone signed for you. Who is that person who signed the ROR for Kajiado?
Chair, if I can explain, because...
Oh, just say who it is, because you have said it is not you.
There was an officer we were training during that period.
So a trainee is the one who signed on your behalf?
Do you have the name of that trainee? What was the name of the trainee?
Because members, when these happen, you'll find that the reality is that the professional perhaps didn't want to append their signature for some reasons.
Chair, let them tell us.
Yeah.
I don't know what is so difficult, Governor. What is so difficult in us getting a clear answer? Who signed the document? There is a signature there. There is a number given.
Yes. I'll just cross-check. Sorry, can I go?
Maybe Chair, as the governor answers, we should tell her where is Vera Mora.
Vera is a fair lady sitting at the back.
Yes, but do you have ISPAC? Are you ISPAC? You account the receiver revenue?
We have two people who signed. That is the receiver of revenue. I signed. Then the documents are forwarded for submission to the Department of Finance, the accountancy team. So I have signed on my part.
This is the report of the receiver of revenue. This is your report, Vera.
Yes. Yes.
So it cannot be that you forwarded it and someone signed it. It is your report.
I own that I signed on my part. We sit in different offices, so the team from the accountant, the head of accountant team signed.
And your ISPAC number?
So who is that person? Because Majakuzi has denied, Pulei has denied, Alex has denied. So who?
I have cross-checked, Chair, and let me ask Alex Play to show up for himself. There are two plays here. I made Alex Play the one who signed or the one whose signature appears here. So can you, Alex, come to the fore? Just stand and respond.
Please, let's dispense with this. We have more important things in the report.
Yes, it is true, Honorable Chair. We prepared the report at the Revenue Office and we submitted for signing, as Director General has said, at the Office of Accounting.
What we are looking for is a person who signed, please. Just that. The person who signed for Pulei, because it's written here for, and then there's some funny signature there. Who is it? Who scribbled this signature on the report?
Chair.
Senator Dula.
Chair, I just want to ask whether the receiver of revenue was officially appointed as receiver of revenue. Because if she has been officially appointed, she cannot hand it over to somebody else.
Even if she forwarded it, it needs to come back to her because it is her report.
But Chair, correct me if I'm wrong. Didn't I hear the receiver of revenue saying she signed the report first?
Yes.
There is her signature is on the report.
Her signature is on the report.
Yeah.
But the more important one is the one with professional responsibility.
Oh.
The member of ISPAC. Because if there are issues here that we need to refer to ISPAC, if we refer member number 17884, he says this was signed for.
Yeah, then he's the one to take responsibility. If someone signs a letter for Sifuna, it's Sifuna who takes responsibility.
I mean, he's basically saying it is a trainee who signed. Is that your submission? That it was a person you are training who signed for you?
Chair, just to make a correction, I didn't say the trainee signed, but that is the period you are training some officers for preparation of financial statements.
So who signed?
And for this matter,
what is the name of that person who signed for you?
That is Alex.
Alex who?
Alex Play, my colleague here.
Who is there? Alex, are you the one who signed for this gentleman?
So as Alex takes the mic, the financial statements were prepared. If maybe you can explain those casting errors due to the training, because Alex.
No, leave alone the casting errors.
You have gone to something else.
Vice Chair, maybe I'm asking.
The point is, the receiver of revenue was supposed to sign these statements, but somebody signed on the behalf. So, where was that person? And so, who signed on behalf? That is the question I think the chair is asking.
The ROR signed. Head of revenue reporting is supposed to be Pulei, but someone signed for him.
Which means he's aware because it says for head of revenue reporting. That's Pulei. Which means Pulei knows where the person is.
Possibly, Chair, what is the confusion here is that there are two Puleis. And the two Puleis are the men seated side by side. So the Pulei name is probably what is confusing. There is a Ken Pulei whose number appears there.
What is the number of the other Pulei?
And Alex Pulei, who signed for the other. So the confusion of Pulei, we probably can resolve by saying Alex and Ken. And both of them have come to record there, Mr. Chairman.
So what is Alex's CPN ISPAC number?
I don't have an ISPAC number. I'm not registered.
And you feel you have the authority to sign on behalf of a professional, a member of a regulated profession. Senior counsel, can I...
See, you know, that's a very serious professional offense. We should begin by citing, you said, this is Alex. Are you the one?
Yes.
And professionally, can you sign a document when you don't have the capacity professionally to sign? That's a professional misconduct from your part. Were you told to sign or you made a conscious decision to sign? You are not qualified. Do you agree you are not qualified to sign the document?
No, I'm not qualified to sign it.
So why did you sign? Why did you sign?
So, Chair, why was he delegated to sign in the first place? Where was the head of the county? Was he out of the country?
Yeah, because we want to understand whether Ken owns this report. We have dealt with 46 other ROR reports. And when this happens, it usually happens when the professional knows that there are serious problems, that if they were to append their signature, they are going to be hanged. That tends to be the case.
Because they are both here, Chair. That question you asked might get us out of this puddle. Let him answer. Ken.
Ken, can you come to own up the report?
The report was signed on your behalf. Do you own it so that we can ask questions directed at you or not?
Yes, I can own the report.
No, not you can. Use a proper language. Just say the report is your report.
Is it your report?
You know, there's an offense of cooking accounts.
Ken, it is either yes or no. You must go on record so that it helps us to navigate the issues that we are going to deal with.
At this point, I think Ken needs to take the oath.
Yes.
Because, Governor, it is very unfair.
I think, Chair, with your permission, Ken owns the report.
Well, he has declined to affirm that.
And you stand, Ken, and decline?
Governor, do not intimidate my witnesses.
It's really not. It's not intimidation, Chair.
These witnesses are now the property of the Senate, so don't intimidate them. I think he must be having some reason for that body language. Leave alone what he's saying. I mean, we can read his body language.
Chair, I want the report.
Sorry?
Chair, with all due respect. No, he can't own the report because he didn't append his signature.
And delegated to an unqualified person.
Where is a document to show that he has delegated to his junior?
Chair, you want
then the written submission to that effect.
You are looking for somebody to hang. You have somebody you can hang professionally. He has owned the report.
I think also, Chair,
he will take responsibility. People
I agree with Senator Sifuna.
Just a minute, Chair.
Okay.
People sign letters on my behalf all the time. If somebody scribbles for Sifuna, if I say that is my letter, then you hang me. You wanted somebody to hang, you have a scalp there. Take that scalp, Chair.
Chair, I agree.
Of course, the question would be, why would Ken Pulei be earning a salary as head of revenue reporting and then not do one of the most basic things that he's supposed to do?
Correct.
If you look at the Public Audit Act, it empowers Parliament to recommend. What does it empower us to recommend? Because this could be one of the first cases where we are recommending sanctions or removal from office of a county officer for gross professional misconduct. Senator Lilegwe, you wanted to say something.
Yeah, Chair, clearly I've seen, even as we find out who signed this report, but you can see from page 1 to 2, 3, the signature does not look the same. It looks different. And even the name Pulei is written at page 3 with an L. So maybe we can get this Pulei L, who was signed for the head of revenue.
Chair, I think also we don't need to waste this issue. He has won the report, and what happens now, you know, Chair, is also professional misconduct not to do your job or delete your job. So since he delegated, by the way, out of curiosity, he has not told us the reason why he delegates the signature. Yet it is his responsibility, the county government of Kajiado pay him salary to do the job. So I think, Chair, since he has agreed, we can hang him. But now we cannot hang him alone, we can hang him with an accomplice. You know, even Jesus Christ was not hung alone. He had some accomplices to escort him. So
there were two thieves on either side.
Yes.
Chair, but can you sign for someone and indicate a professional number, that, like ISPAC number?
I think we have taken the advice of former president of the Law Society of Kenya. The accountancy profession is regulated, just like the legal profession. And I think what Senator Morgan has said is a fact.
And the former chair of EACC.
Former chair of EACC, that this is gross professional misconduct. So can we go to the substantive issues and see whether we can get a few explanations, honorable members?
We're going to revisit this issue, Chair, because this is quite, unprofessional.
Yes, we could look at, because in our earlier brief, there were about 2 or 3 issues that captured our attention. And Governor, that's why we asked ourselves who prepared these financial statements. And I think county officers, please don't feel intimidated. What we are doing here is like surgery. And for you to do surgery, some pain could be felt, some blood could be spilled. So do not take it personally. These are issues of professional responsibility and constitutional responsibility on the part of the Senate. Now, Governor, let's then go to the report of the receiver of revenue, even though there are all those doubts.